as a part of Amazon's commitment to help India fight the devastating second wave of COVID-19. Amazon India has procured 100 ventilators through its global resources to immediately import these into India. Amazon has worked with MoF Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India to ensure the ventilators are of acceptable technical specification and carried out its own compatibility checks to immediately fund 100 units of Medtronic's PB980 model and bring them into India for urgent use. Amazon will work closely with Medtronic MT for these units to be airlifted into India, and we expect the consignment to enter the country in the next 2 weeks. Amazon India is working closely with the MoF appointed agencies to finalize the hospitals with the most urgent needs so that Amazon can partner with MT for end-to-end delivery, installation, maintenance and training of personnel who will use these machines. With the urgency of adding to the medical infrastructure and capacity for Indian hospitals fighting against COVID-19's severe second spike, we decided to urgently source, import and donate 100 ventilators to hospitals to be identified by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare MoF. Government of India. We hugely appreciate the quick response from the MoHUF to help identify the most compatible models, expediting the shipment import into India, and for coordination with agencies of MoF to allocate these where they are needed most. They are doing more and are committed to support our country in the fight against COVID-19, said Amit Agrawal, Global SVP and Country Head, Amazon India. Mission Vayu. Amazon joins hands with various industry partners and NGOs to urgently bring in 10,000 oxygen concentrators and BiPAP machines into India. Medical equipment will be donated to hospitals and public institutions to augment their capacity to help patients infected with COVID-19 across multiple cities. Thanks, thumbs up for Amazon for helping India.